I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to your YouTube channel. This is a platform where your requests meets our solutions. A learning platform absolutely free for more than 15 years now. In today's video, we are going to discuss important concept about dilation. Now, before getting into the problem, let's try to understand what we are going to do. Here on a coordinate plane, you see two different triangles in red. One is labeled as ABC, right? And the other one as A prime, B prime, C prime. Now, in transformations, the original is always labeled without prime, right? ABC, so that becomes your original. And the one with dash is called the image. So we can say that A prime, B prime, C prime is the result of transformation. In this case, the transformation is dilation. Now, dilation is always about a point. So, in this example, the point is given at the origin, which is labeled as P, and we are given these two triangles. Now, let's get to the question first. Question is, what is the scale factor of the dilation shown from point P? Now, scale factor really means that dilation could be enlargement or shrinking. Now, in this particular case, you can see that the image is shorter than the original. That means the scale factor, which normally we write k, so we know that k is less than 1, right? Because it is shrinking. The question is, what is the value of k? So to find that, it is simple ratio, a multiplication factor. So scale factor is a multiplication factor. So we need to find what is P to A prime. So we say PA prime equals to that scale factor times the original. Original distance is from P to A. Get the whole idea, right? So that could give you the scale factor, right? So now, once I've shown you what the relation is, let us get into the formal definition of dilation, which is a bit confusing. So let's look into how do we define dilation. Dilation is a transformation that maps the point A to A prime. So we are mapping these 2 points such that A prime lies on the ray PA and PA prime. So from P, if we connect, both are connected with the ray, right? And they both lie on this. Where also the relation is that PA prime is K, a scale factor, times PA, right? The equation which we wrote. Perfect? Here, P is the center of dilation, that's the term technically defined, and K is the scale factor. So now I hope everything comes together. Well, it also is true for other points, right? So PC prime is also equal to K times PC, and similarly, PB prime will be same times PB, right? All three words. Since the scale factor is same, we can use any one point which is convenient to check. Now, since A and A prime are on the x-axis, they are easy points to figure out. So, we know P is at the origin. Where is A? So, A is after 10, it is at 12, right? As far as A prime is concerned, it is at 7, right? 5, 6, 7 from the scale. So now we can say PA prime, which is 0 to 7, means 7, equals to K times PA, which is 12. So multiply them. So scale factor is always multiplication. So from here, 7 by 12 is now the value for K. Makes sense? So that becomes the scale factor in this particular case. So that is how we find from the given original and the image, the transformation because of dilation, we can now find the scale factor k as shown here. So I hope this concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.